Okay, here's my problem. As someone who does a lot of video and webinars and workshops, whenever I was using the ring light, I always had this weird things on my glasses. Plus the setup, you can tell it doesn't look that great. Just check it out. So you got this big old ring light with the contraption and the thing, and then you gotta have a side light. So I decided it was time for a new light. Gonna get a new light. It's a new day, new videos, new look, new light. And speaking of newer, Neewer LED photography light. Here we go. We're going to unbox it now. This is the panel light now. Ooh, it's a little heftier than I thought, but that's her. No ring in sight, just that panel. This is also from Neewer. This is very, very sturdy boom arm. I'll set it up and I'll let you know. Don't know if it's gonna work, but I'll set it up and I'll let you know. And it's got controls over here for brightness, CCT, whatever that is, power, and then there's your input there. Okay, now I just swiveled that on there, so I've got it. Ooh, I'm so excited. So I've got the clamp in here. It's leaning precariously forward. It's plugged in. The cords don't look very good, but it's going to charge, and then I can take the cord off. It'll be just battery run. But that's the ugly back end setup. And this is the front end setup. There we go. Wow. I'm very stoked. I got new lighting. No more ring lights, baby. How cool is that? No more ring lights. I'm so happy. Thank you, Neewer.